This is still gonna be close. Josh.
Alright guys, welcome. Today, you guys probably saw like a little mini montage clips. We're gonna be doing, camera out here. Camera out here. Alright, I'm gonna cover the address.
You don't talk to me like that. But
we're gonna be doing the Grimmspeed J-pipe V2 install on my 2017 WRX. And we also have the parent sump restrictor, which is like a supporting mod. Make sure we don't start blowing blue smoke. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of a kind of progression. We're gonna be documenting the entire thing. We're about to go get breakfast. We're just gonna spray down the underside.
Mud.
Breakfast. Then we'll come back, do the install, kind of take you guys through it. And we got a little bit of sound clips from cold start this morning before we left Luca's house. We'll put Luca's address on the screen. And then we're gonna compare it to the downpipe install after. So fired up, been waiting for this for a while. Had this sitting in my basement for a week now, so to get it finally installed, it's gonna be extremely real. And yeah, we'll probably see you guys in a minute here. All right, can't lie, might need a little bit of J Money detail here. Okay.
so that's his plate, get his address, get all his information.
Can you actually do that?
No.
Like if I show my plate?
Holy, you got moss in here, buddy.
Yeah.
You got an ecosystem growing in there. Wow. Well, that's Mario. What's going on?
Vlog.
Vlog. Yeah. BMW Luca, the OG.
Shout out Clutch.
Shout out Clutch. Shout out
Clutch.
Noah Rivera and Fortnite.
Great guy.
Huh?
Show them what you're doing.
Okay, so let me show you. Come over here. As seen,
It's a bit of an issue.
it's a little bit of a tight fit.
Yep.
So we got Mario lubing it up, and I'm hammering it, and my hands are hurting.
There you go, man.
Yeah, let's get after it, alright? And it's not moving.
Put Mario in there. Get the tar up.
Buddy.
Grimmspeed, sponsor would be real. Appreciate it.
Type shit.
Alright guys,
Well, you took the one off.
I didn't take anything off.
Oh, never mind, I'm retarded.
car's up. Dude, we gotta show them the tape. Pass the tape down.
You don't have a ratchet?
Okay, when I did my headlight
Only go.
install with Luca, we were taping up a wire and somehow this tape ended up getting stuck in my under tray and it was still there a month and a half later. Crazy. All right guys, we got the under tray off. Took the skid plate off.
Yeah.
What are the thoughts so far?
Car's a piece of shit. Solid so far. Here, let me show him the bolt that we gotta get off. There's a bolt.
It's like up in the wheel well, right?
It is. Let me shine a light here. It is all the way up in this crack. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's pretty close, but I don't know how we're gonna get it. Josh, what do you think so far? Let's hear it.
Pretty solid. I mean,
Shout out JS. Shout out JS.
Shout out JS. I feel like we already got our issues out of the way. Everybody knows an install comes with fucking issues. You never have like a fucking incident-free. Holy shit.
Is that the car shaking?
Yeah.
Okay, fucking relax. Okay, yo, I'm getting the fucking out of here.
CX-90 is getting fucking railed. Yeah, no.
That's the win from the
Yeah, good to get the issues out of the way early. That way, hopefully, it's fucking smooth sailing along the rest of the way. Mario loves torquing my engine. So yeah, it's been pretty good so far. We're about to go grab breakfast. We're gonna leave the camera here.
Gonna be absolute mud. Shout out Ty.
Yeah, and then it should be fucking barbecue chicken from there. All right, boys, we are cracking the heat shield off right now. We got the boost restrictor pill, or whatever it's called, boost pill, whatever restrictor. We got that off, or I got it off while they were. We're taking off the turbo side right now.
Yo, can I get a light?
And then we're gonna work on down to the res side. So this is gonna get copyrighted, but it's all good because they're not even monetized yet. Anyways, we still got quite a bit of work to do, and then should be smooth sailing from there.
Josh, we've ran into problem number one.
Here, let me try something.
Josh Boyd, what's going on here?
Light this? Let me see. Smaller one, maybe?
This bolt does not want to come off. Josh, what do you think?
What size is this?
What do you think of that bolt? 14. 14.
Fucking cock. That's exactly what it is. Try this one.
Yeah, that's a nice clutch shirt.
Too small.
Bro, you have so much aura.
Oh my gosh, it's so fucking free once we get that one. And we just use. Oh, that nut's a cock.
Fuck it, I said we just cut it.
With what? Yeah, good one.
Josh Boyd's biceps. Because he
Maybe just shoot
literally,
it. Go get your gun.
he literally takes Tren.
Go get your gun.
He literally takes Tren. He's got dog shit flow.
That's cat.
Yeah. High shit.
Oh, this one. This one could work.
Rumor has it this is Josh Boyd's first ever job that involves using his hands.
No, it's stripping it.
Is it?
Yeah, it's stripped.
I see right under there.
Cock.
Cock.
How do I zoom?
Don't. You're fucking. Yeah, you zoom in, aren't you? What's wrong?
Holy, yo, stop right there. Yo, look back down to the left. Buddy, the bling looks fucking immaculate.
What bling?
On the fake ones on your ears.
Oh.
What do you have it set to, 18?
Torqued to, let's get a
Mario
torque reading.
gel. Step 1, how to strip a bolt.
Yeah? Is it funny?
You're a good one. We will catch you when Josh Boyd's fucking car breaks again.
Alright guys, we ran into a bit of an issue. You're not gonna be able to see it,
Holy aura.
but coming.
No, I took a video. They'll see it. You can insert the clip.
Okay,
Insert the clip.
He took a video. There is a nut on one of the studs that is really pissing us off. And we tried to go at it with a wrench. We tried to go at it with a socket. Just didn't have the leverage that we needed. And it's kind of in a weird spot. So we're about to head to Canadian Tire or something. Go get a swivel head. Hopefully we'll be able to break it. Because this is literally the only thing preventing us from like cooking right now. The rest of the install will take us like fucking half an hour. So yeah, it's a bit of a pain in the ass, but we'll probably get at you from
Home Depot.
From Home Depot. All right, we got BMW Luca behind the wheel of another BMW. All right. Get this show on the road.
Yeah,
We're in Mario's little 335. Extremely real. Heading to Home Depot right now, hoping that they have a swivel socket.
Half-inch drive. Yeah. Swivel socket. We need it for a size 14.
Yep.
This guy's gonna fucking go like a beauty. Oh! Yeah, cut it, chat, cut it, chat.
Yeah, we're not showing Mario. Alright guys, we got two things that are absolutely essential. We got a breaker bar,
I turned the car off.
and then we got a white monster to get the job done. Hopefully this is what we need. Hopefully this is what's gonna work in getting these last two bolts off, and it's got the swivel on it. So hopefully it
I love the
should
steering wheel.
work well.
And the sport steering wheel?
Real. Alright, we can kick it. Alright guys, a little update. We managed to drill through the one bolt that was giving us trouble up here. I don't know if you could see. I have a video of it. We got the entire remaining part of the downpipe out. So all that we have left is the exhaust and the part with the cat connected to the turbulator. But we got an extension. We got one bolt left. Then we gotta take this off, and it should be smooth sailing from there. I said that before, and then we ran into fucking 7 issues. So we're gonna see, but I'll fucking fill in. Luca actually dipped. Left me and Mario to get the job done, and yeah, we're gonna run it, and I'll update you guys in a bit. Right, boys, we made it out the mud. We got the new cat on. Finally got the old one out. Where is it?
Over there.
Over here. Heat shield was a complete pain in the ass, I can't even lie. Idiot. Yeah, this is the old cat here. I'm gonna be selling this. And resonator goes bye-bye, and we're basically just gonna be rocking a nice little fucking straight pipe all the way back to the exhaust. So we got Mario tightening the nuts here, securing it to the turbo, the turbulator, and yeah, should be good to go from there. I'll probably skip to first cold start with the new downpipe on. All right, boys, we're just finishing up. Tighten everything up, make sure everything's good under the hood. Got the new tune flash just to make sure when we start it up for the first time, everything is all good. We're about to start it up just to make sure everything's good before we clean everything up and get the under tray back on. But I'm gonna try to see from underneath here. Yeah, you can see that right there. If you guys can see, like right there is where it goes underneath. All right, I'm fired up to fucking see what this sounds like. So give it a sec, get everything figured out, give it the first start. All right, guys, we got the startup going. Yeah, you're good. Sounds real. Holy. Yeah, that's real. Alright, we're gonna check for exhaust leaks real quick, then I'll catch you boys in a sec. Alright, we're gonna get some revs in here. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. About to go for a rip right now, see how it sounds. But yeah, this one right there, holy, that was a bit of a process, I can't lie. If you're gonna get a downpipe or J-pipe for WRX, make sure you do your research on what you need. All the parts, all that. Shout out to Mario. We banged it out after Luca left us, and it took us like what, like another 2 hours?
Yeah, he's holding us back.
Yeah, man, we were operating once he's gone. Shout out JS Auto for the space today, and yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe for more vlogs like this. Do you think I actually set off the... My gosh. Yo, this shit is insane, bro. What a fucking brother.